Do you think you need lots of money to get involved in property? Most people do. Deposits, surveys, fees, all the rest of it. Well, if you go that route and you actually buy property, yes you do. But I'm going to tell you something. There's another way to get property that costs you virtually nothing. Now, I've got over £10 million worth of property using this method, and I'll tell you how I found out about it. In 2010, I was reading a book by a guy you've probably heard of called Donald Trump. Now, you know he's the president of the USA, but you may or may not know that he became a billionaire through being involved in property in Manhattan. And I was reading his book. The book is called The Art of the Deal, and it blew me away. Here's a guy trading and developing property in Manhattan, which can't be the easiest place in the world to be a property investor, but he was doing it with no money. No money at all, not just no money of his own. He was doing it by the use of a contract. He wasn't buying the property, he was controlling it. And there's the secret. Like he says, own nothing, control everything. Now, that contract is called a lease option. And at the time I hadn't heard of them. I went out and I started doing them over here. I figured, well, if they work in the USA, they've got to work here, right? I went out. I didn't have much success for the first 6 months, but then I hit on the way to do it. I hit on the perfect way. In the first 7 months of 2011, I went out and in 7 months, I got 48 properties. This was right in the middle of the recession when nobody else could even get one because they couldn't get a mortgage. I got 48 properties. And the most I paid for any property, which in fact, it was 2 properties, it was 2 flats in a block of flats in Leeds. I got the 2 for £55. And that £55 included the fuel to drive to Leeds to see them. How about that? I made a fortune. And you know what? You can do it too. You got to know how to use a contract, what's in it, how to negotiate it, but you can get property for peanuts and you can build a massive portfolio. Anybody can do it. It's not difficult. Let me show you how. Copy this link here and paste it into your browser, or click on the link below this video and visit my website and you can get my book for free. I've written a book on this subject. Read the book, find out how I did it, and then if you want me to teach you how to do it, you get back in touch with me. My name's Peter Hogan. I'll see you again.